Please tell me your name and your age.
My name is Narayan Tamang. I am 27 years.
And what is your religion?
I am Buddhist.
Buddhist, okay.
Yes.
What kind of food do you prefer? Are you vegetarian? Do you also eat meat?
We vegetarian with meat.
Everything, okay. So, how many
Everything.
members do you have in your family?
Sorry.
How many members do you have in your family?
We have seven people our family.
Okay. Are you
Yes.
married?
Yes, I am married.
And do you have kids?
Yes, I have one son.
One son, okay. How old is he?
Is my son?
Yes,
Is 2 years ago.
2 years, okay. So, where have you worked before?
I am now here some cooking working is now we and sometimes we work some pack it will be just name this job. Sometimes I want the farmer. Sometimes it's in the mountain is climb trekking.
Okay, so you had many jobs.
Yeah, I have many job. I work doing
Have
job.
have you worked in another country before?
We now it's here Nepal is not so nice
No,
already
no,
and
no,
there
no,
is very
no.
nice.
No, but have you worked in another country before?
No, just we work the Nepal, not out country. Other we
Okay,
work the Nepal.
only in Nepal. Okay. So what would you like to do here in Romania? What job would you like to have?
I like there is some job. Is there which Romania and also but this job is which work is pays our visa is me exactly is I don't know, and there is I like is salary, and there is
No, but
we
I asked you what job would you like to have?
uh,
What is your
uh,
experience?
yeah, I expression in some packing and loading and cutting. Everything is we job is there Romania.
Okay, so would you like to work in a coal factory?
Yeah, some coal factory. Yeah,
Okay, so
coal
it's
factory,
not
everyone like there,
so
and I
there.
have
Yeah, so
yeah,
there you would have to pack the coal and measure it, and it's not so
yeah,
hard.
yeah, surely,
Hmm?
yes,
And
yeah.
load and unload.
Yeah, load, unload, and bring and take it and outside and load to this van is
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. Mm-hmm. Okay. So you told me already why you want to come in Romania, right? Because why do you want to come? Tell me again.
yeah, I like is there is a nice salary, and now is where is we younger people is not nice work here Nepal, and that is my family, and I help with their family help is supporting, and so nice is salary there.
Mm-hmm.
It will be just now.
Okay. Thank you very much for the interview.
Yeah, yes, thank you.
Thank you.